each one of you will be able to create a leaf with your sentiment on it, and then we can incorporate them into the sculpture, our tree of possibilities. So what I'm starting here with is a template, wooden template. And what we do here is we take a piece of aluminum, slightly bigger than the template, place it on center of the aluminum, and then trace the line so you've got something to follow with your snips. And then just for good measure, I do the same thing on the other side too. So if you make sure that you're on center, the lines are going to be the same. And this will help you later when you start cutting, because there's some difficult corners in here that are awkward with the scissors. So with my tin snips, I'll follow my line as close as I can. Might have a little bit of a sharp edge on it, so don't move too fast, and just make sure that your hands and fingers are safe. I would recommend gloves. So you remember when you were cutting scissors in elementary school, and your scissors, you had right-hand scissors and left-handed scissors. Sometimes it helps if you do the template, draw your template line on both sides. Then when you go to start cutting and it becomes awkward, you can flip it over and you can cut from the other side. And there it is. One leaf, 10,000 to go.